Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to compare the Trello with your Microsoft Planner, and I'm going to show you some important things that you need to know about both of these tools. So the most important thing is the Microsoft Planner is really simple tool. It's great for small projects, not a lot of tasks, and how it works is that you're going to have a grid, you can have a board here, you can have a charts here, a schedule. The charts is like really simple, the reporting is also just basic, and you can have schedule here. Now, when you're going to click here on a task, like adding a task is simple. I'm going to click information here, where you're going to have a bucket, progress, priority, start date, due date, and even repeat here. But now comes the thing is that it's like pretty limited. The one benefit of Microsoft Planner is that you can connect it with other Microsoft tools. So for example, with Project, with like, I don't know, Microsoft To Do and other things. So in that way, the planner could be effective. Now, it really depends if you're actually using. On the Trello, on the other hand, is that yes, and the same thing, you're going to have a board in Microsoft Office, but you're going to have also it for Trello. So I'm going to just add a list here, and I can just add multiple lists. I can add a card. And when I'm going to have a card here, you can add members, labels, checklist, dates, attachments, and cover. But the one thing, like two things, that you're gonna have automations, but you're gonna have added power-ups. So this is like really good, and this has been expanded for years. I remember when I was doing videos about Trello years ago, and it wasn't so good as it is right now, is that you can even add a list view, right? So you're gonna have it here, and you can not going to have only a list, but you can have it also like a checklist. So you can just really just set it up with the power-ups well, and you can make it as complex as you want with Trello. Now, the one thing that I encourage you to do is listen to your own intuition. Now, what I do is that I never use a tool that I don't feel good when I'm using it. When you're gonna like open it by yourself with the planner, just open it and feel it, the tool. Feel it. And if you actually like it, that's it. And then open Trello and feel how you feel when you're using that. And just trust that. You don't have to watch any videos. That's a trick right there. So just trust yourself when you are going to do this, and you will see by yourself that this is the way to go. So hope this video gave a little bit of value about this thing, and if you should use it. So Trello is just better in my opinion comparing to Planner with the power-ups and automations, and you can do with it much more. And of course, you can have workspace views as a table, you can have workspace view as a calendar right here, and yeah, trust your own intuition. Have a great day and goodbye.